Describe an interesting song. What the song is, what story does the song tell, whether the song is popular, explain why you think it is interesting. One of my favorite leisure time activities is listening to music. My playlist consists of songs by artists from different countries, as there isn't any specific genre that I particularly prefer. Of all the songs that I love, today I want to talk about one that is called The Nights by Tim Bergling, popularly known as Avicii. This song was first released in December 2014, and by Jan 2015, it topped the charts across the world. Ever since then, the video has been watched over 1 billion times just on YouTube. If we consider other video and audio streaming websites, then this song would have been watched and listened to over 2 billion times. The video is not professionally shot, nevertheless, it is interesting to watch. The entire 3-minute song was recorded by Tim using his GoPro camera. It shows all the adventures like bungee jumping, parasailing, and touring, which he did at some of the most exotic locations in the world along with his family. The lyrics, I believe, are not only inspirational but also moving. Inspirational because the song is telling the audience to live a life full of life. The central idea is to create loving memories, being adventurous, traveling the world, and doing something worthwhile in life before old age or death. This song is moving because the singer left this world at the tender age of 28, but not without leaving his legacy in the music industry. He actually practiced what he preached. When I was suffering from COVID in May 2021, the days were tough. I was on heavy medications, and the doctors were trying their best to save me. During those days, I used to listen to this song, and it kept me going. I yearned to live longer and pursue the activities that I had always aspired to. I believe this spirit quickened my recovery to a large extent. I'm not alone when I say that. Numerous other people have also felt the same. Several positive comments on YouTube by viewers suggest that this song would have saved life of hundreds of people. Such is the power of this song. Now let's look at some lexical resources. Aspire, pursue, yearn, keep going, practice what you preach, genre, exotic, full of life, moving. Thank you for watching this video. For more IELTS related videos, please subscribe to the Revise Academy YouTube channel.